Today on William's Adventures, I want to show you what I got going on with the Mandalorian armor I'm building. So I'm going to flip the camera around and show you the current progress. Alright, so what I'm currently working on is thigh pieces right there, right here, and the knee cut armor. So let me show you what I did was I did this morning. I heated these up on a low heat and then shaped them to the actual shape of my leg. And what I did notice is right here and right here is not as round as I need. It's more squared off. So I'm going to have to take and do a little reshaping on these. And that comes down to right above the knee. But that's the current thigh armor. And I did take and trim all the edges down. And I've been gluing what little I've separated. And then I have to go over the finish sanding. But that's the current progress on that one. This one's drying up because this little edge separated a little bit. So I want to do that. I still got to shape that one again. And then the knee armor I got going on here. What I did was laid these all out. Since I'm building it like the rest of the armor, 3 layers thick per piece, I got 6 different layers for the knee. And as you can see here, that's pretty thick. Pretty thick knee plate. And then what I'm going to do is I still have to sand the back of this and sand the front of this, glue it all together. And then once that's done, I have to cut out these pieces here. And these will mount to here, like this. But what I'm going to do is actually make this edge here longer when I cut it out so that it actually stacks behind here. So there's going to be a nice 90-degree angle. And then I will probably do the same with this piece here. I don't know yet. But that's the current progress I got going on with my knee armor. And I did work a little bit more on the back plate, which is all shaped. And as you can see here, there's the heat wrinkles. And what this is caused from is using a high heat rather than a low heat to heat up the plastic. So I've been progressively working out the heat wrinkles and little heat bubbles. I'm not worried at the moment because I probably could sand these off and make this smooth. So I'm not too worried about these. And you really aren't going to see them because they're going to be on my back and pretty much covered up by the jetpack. But that's the current progress of the back. I still have to take and drill the holes and mount it, which I'm planning on doing. And as always, the pistol sitting over here waiting on the next bits for me to do for the right in here. I'm still working on that. But I want to get the knee armor done up before I moved on to the shin armor. But there you go. That's the current progress on that. I don't have anything else to show you at the moment. Oh, actually I do. Been actually tinkering, sorry for all the movement, with an idea for my rifle. And I've actually been kicking around this idea of taking it from here and bringing the stock all the way out to this point here. So filling this in. And that's an idea I've been kicking around. I don't know at the moment because otherwise there's this huge gap. Or I could just fill this part in, but then there's this hanger here, which I'd like to have this to where it could fold up, but I don't have that technology at the moment. Which I know would be basically drilling a hole in here and sanding one side down so it could fold in or something. I don't know at the moment. Still working on that. But what I was thinking about is just running a piece of plastic from here to there. So I'd basically just fill in this gap. Or maybe even curving it out here. I could do that. Run a nice curve in here. Or fill this in, sand this in. I don't know. I'm still working on that idea. Alright, well, there we go. Thank you for joining me today on William's Adventures, and let's go on an adventure and create something new. Alright, so I want to give you a little quick update. So I sanded all the edges, and then I washed all the pieces. As you can see here, here's lint I got to clean off from the towel. I got all the kneecaps, or the knee armor done, the shin plates, they're all done. They're just sitting out here to dry. That's what's going on here. But yeah, this is still pretty damp. So I wanted to give you a quick update. What's going on? I haven't done any touch-ups or anything. I'm just kind of waiting on this to dry.